Buying land is the easiest part, but reselling it could be quite an hassle. Of course, what do I mean? You get a property now, but as time goes on, after 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years, depending on how long you decide to hold on to this property, by the time you are ready to resell it, to get your return on investment and your capital, you begin to find a buyer from one end to another, looking for realtors to sell this property so you can get your profit. You can imagine how stressful it might be. And there are times whereby you want to sell a property, you wait the first month, second month, even with your realtor trying to get a buyer for you, it might not sell fast like you want it to. Most especially when you need that money urgently. Come closer. We have brought the perfect solution to that. Whereby you buy a landed property and you sell it back in just 12 months with a fixed interest. What do I mean? It means you are not waiting for years to have that good return on investment. You know, time and real estate works together. The more time your property lasts, the more ROI you tend to get from that property. But we are telling you that you don't need to wait at so in just 12 months, that's just 1 year, you'll be getting a massive return on investment. And not just that, you don't even need to look for someone to buy from you. You don't need a third party to buy this property, because we'll be selling the land to you and we'll be buying it back from you. Yes, guaranteed, with a fixed return on investment. And what is the return I'm talking about? If you are investing with us this month, January 2025, you'll be earning a 37% return on investment. It is huge, right? Yes. So this is the perfect time for you to key into the real estate cashback program. This is a fantastic one. This is not money doubling. This is not MMM. This is not a Ponzi scheme. This is real estate investment. Like I mentioned earlier, you are buying property from us. We are buying it back from you at the end of 12 months with a 37% return on investment. And you might be wondering, what if I buy the property? What if you don't buy it from me back? No, we are going to buy, because when you invest with us, there are documents that we are going to give to you that will bind us legally. So we are obligated to buy this property back from you in 12 months. So if you are one that you want to invest in real estate, but you are thinking, what if I buy this property and I need my money in a short time? This is the perfect short-term investment for you, where you don't have to wait, so you don't have to look for a buyer, and you are earning massively. And you are not just earning, you can also roll over as long as you want. We have clients that when they invest like that, after their maturity, they roll it over, and every year they get good return on investment. Like this one, 37%. This is massive. This is exceptional, I'll tell you. And this is a genuine investment. Like I said, this is not MMMO. This is not Ponzi scheme. This is not all this quick rich scheme. No, this is real estate investment. And you will ask me, investing with you, what are the things that guarantee that you will give me my return on investment at the end of 12 months? I'll tell you. Number one, we are licensed by Lagos State Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Cooperative. So we are not operating on our own. We are licensed. And you can always run a due diligence on us. This is a perfect one. This is real estate cashback. We also have a location. Yes, we have a location. Our head office is at Lekki Phase 1, called the Zealous Place. Yes, because the real estate cashback is a product of Real Estate Cashback Cooperative, which is a subsidiary of Zealous Group International. So if you are just hearing about this platform, this program for the first time, I want you to take note of this. Yes, you can run search on us. We've been doing this for over 6 years now, and we have not defaulted anybody. Yes, we have not defaulted anybody. You can invest a minimum of 500,000 naira, and the maximum is limitless, as much as you can afford. So imagine you want to buy a property now. Can you get a good property in a good location and a perfect title with 500,000 naira now? No. If you buy any property for 500,000, I guarantee you, before that property will develop, before you can even sell it, it will take time. Before it will develop for you to get good ROI, in fact, it will take long amounts of years. But we are telling you that with 500,000 naira, you can be a landowner and resell it in 12 months and cash out your capital, and return on investment. And we are not just asking you to bring your money without any backup, without any security to ensure that your investment is safe with us. We give you your receipt. This shows a transaction has taken place between you and us. Yes, that's a receipt. And apart from that, you also get a deed of agreement. This deed of agreement will be transferring the ownership of this property that you are getting from us. Depending on the amount you are investing, that's what determines the square meter we are selling to you. So this deed of agreement is transferring the ownership of that property to your name for the period of 12 months. And it also says that at the end of 12 months, we are buying it back from you with a fixed ROI of 37%. So it is as simple as ABC. Nobody is running with your money. Yes, like I said, we have location. You can come to our office, walk into our office anytime, any day, and you will see our staff there. We are there to talk to you. If you have complaints, if you have any question, we are there to answer. And you can always dial the number shown on your screen to make inquiry about the real estate cashback. This is a fantastic program that a lot of people have benefited from this. I would love to show you a lot of testimonials from our clients that have been doing this for over 3 to 4 years now, and they have never for once have any cause to say they invested and they didn't get their money back. In fact, we are improving day by day in our delivery to our clients. So this is the perfect investment platform for you. Like I said, there's an 100% guarantee that we are buying this property from you. So apart from the receipt, the deed of agreement, we also give you the post-dated check. This post-dated check carries your capital and return on investment. I know what the check is now. You can always tender it at any bank of your choice to cash out your money at the end of 12 months. Usually, we are going to transfer it to you. But if you say you want to cash it out on your own, fine. The moment you cash it out, we already know you've cashed it out because you will not need to transfer the money to you anymore. So that's just it. So this is the real estate cashback. We give you receipts, we give you deed of agreement that transfer the ownership of the particular plot of land to you. And this month, we are doing the real estate cashback on Zelos Prime. Zelos Prime is at Ibejuleki. This is a fantastic investment. It has a government allocated C of O, and we are launching it this month. Yes, on our Thanksgiving, we'll be launching the Zelos Prime estate, and that's what we are doing our cashback on. If you ask us to say we are using it on this estate, what do you use this money to do? We use it to develop real estate. We use it to develop this property, which in turn add value to the property, and the prices go up. So you are investing with us. We sell to the masses and we share the profits with you. That's exactly what we do here at Real Estate Cashback. So this is a fantastic platform for you. You don't have to lift your finger to do anything. All you have to do is to reach out to us. We'll send you the form. You fill it with your details and you invest. You send us the proof of payment. I'll tell you, in the next 12 months, in 12 months' time, you will get your capital and return on investment. So you will say, new year, new me. If you still keep doing what you did last year, you will still end this year with the same thing. Yes, the same way you are is how you will end this year. You say, okay, the new year, this is a new me. Nothing changed about you. You only slept on the 31st of 2024. That's December. And you woke up January 1st. You are still the same you. So it's the action and steps you take this year that will determine if you are going to change. Things are going to change about you. So I will tell you, you want to change your financial status this year. You want a guaranteed return on investment. You don't want to fall victim of scam. You want a legit cash flow. I'll tell you that real estate cashback is the best option and most reliable option for you. I know you will say, oh, some companies are doing more ROI, but I'll tell you, the more ROI, the more the risk that is involved. I'm not saying they are not real. All I'm just saying that whenever you want to make a decision, you think about it very well. For real estate cashback, we've been doing this for a long period of time. And we have people with their testimonies that with Real Estate Cashback, they've been able to build houses for themselves. They've been able to send their children to school, good schools, paying millions of naira. We have people that have done the Real Estate Cashback to pay their rent, a lot, to travel out of the country instead of spending their savings. So Real Estate Cashback help you to keep your money and still give you a return at the end of 12 months. So this is a perfect one for you. Like I said, we are licensed by Lagos State Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Cooperative. So the minimum investment you can do is 500,000 naira, and the maximum is as you can afford. So I want you to give us a call right away and get started. This month, we are doing 37% return on investment on any amount you are investing. So make a bold decision today and invest in the Real Estate Cashback. This is just the perfect one for you. Real estate, you can see it, you can feel it. Unlike other investment that can crash, the land is there. All you have to do is to sell it to the masses, and we give you your own share of the profits. And that's what we've been doing for over 6 years, and that's what we are still doing. And that's why we are still standing today. We have not crashed, because we are not crowdfunding, and we are not using the money to do something else. We are not diversifying it into something that you don't know about. Towards the end of last year, we used the fund from the Real Estate Cashback on our product at Ibejileki, that's Tiwa Garden Phase 2. And today you can see the difference that it has made, and it has added value to the property. I know how much Tiwa Garden Phase 2 is selling now. A plot now is selling for 35 million naira. When we launched Tiwa Garden Phase 2, a plot was selling for 24 million naira. But today, a plot is selling for 35 million naira. So you can see, when we add value to this property, it makes the price of the property increases. And when we sell it to the masses, we share the profits. This is a perfect investment platform for you. I want you to call the number on the screen so that we can get started. Yes, don't buy land that at the end of the day you might not even be able to sell it. You'll be looking for it. As sweet and juicy real estate investment can be, getting a buyer for your property might be an hassle. And to solve that problem, this is the perfect platform for you. You own a property for 12 months and you sell it back to us with a good return on investment. I'm sure there are some funds that you still need to use after a period of time. So you don't want to tie it down on a property that you might not be able to sell immediately after 12 months. Why not relieve yourself of that stress and leave it up to us to do that for you? So give us a call right away. Key into Real Estate Cashback this month, January 2025, and earn a whopping 37% return on investment. And don't forget, when you invest with us, we ensure that your investment is secure. We give you receipts, we give you deed of agreement, we give you possession check and investment certificates. So this is 100%. See, all what we do here is by the books. Everything we are doing is legal, and we can always back it up. So I don't want you to be afraid. Your money is not going to be lost when you invest here at Real Estate Cashback. We have testimonies. Yes, this is just the perfect one for you. I don't want you to invest in something that you don't know about. I don't want you to invest in something that at the end of the day, even your capital, you won't be able to see it. So this is the right time for you to take the bold step and invest in Real Estate Cashback. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, do well to subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and follow us on all our social media handles at Salesville Properties. You know, Real Estate Cashback, now we get them. Yes, we always preach it. If it's not real, if you are scamming people, we won't be here telling you this over and over and over and over again. We've been doing this for over 6 years with no single default. So it's not going to be your turn and we'll default. So I want you to do this right now. Call the number shown on your screen and let's get it started. I remain Ayomide, your dignified realtor from Salesville Properties. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Bye.